Hello everyone. Welcome to the Magic Show.
I'm Miles of Magic. You're watching Miles of Magic Presents, the show where I get reactions to my magic tricks. We prefer this type of reaction, not this type of reaction. As most of you probably already know, it is July 4th, which means it is Independence Day here in America. To celebrate this day, I shall be playing with some fake fireworks because real fireworks are dangerous. Enjoy. Every year, for the 4th of July, we celebrate by lighting fireworks. These are pretend fireworks. And we also wave our American flag. However, it's important that the fireworks don't make us forget what the American flag symbolizes. So this year, don't let the fireworks distract you from the American flag. That's why I keep the American flag close to my heart. Happy Independence Day. I hope you enjoyed that. We've reached the part of the show where I steal someone else's quote to say goodbye. This quote comes from Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson was a famous American writer. America is another name for opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Emerson, and remember, the magic words are like, comment, share, and subscribe.